see them everywhere all the time. Hundreds of different kinds of games in different stages of advancement. Since the dawn of time, man has evolved to become a game-playing creature. He plays to see who is the better man. Throughout the years, his games has evolved as he has, until tonight, the ultimate game experience, and you are about to play. They've called it the Great All-Nighter, the Life in the Fast Lane, the Moonlight Extravaganza, but we call it Midnight Madness 1985. You players are about to experience the ultimate Midnight Madness 1985.
This is the Midnight Madness logo. You'll notice the car is shaped like an M. This will be on some of the envelopes which contain your clues. If you feel you are on the wrong track and you see this symbol, you can be sure that you're on the right track.
Greetings, Earth people! Welcome to Game Control!
We're crazy. Hi, everybody. It's funny to sit in front of a camera. We wanted to welcome you guys to Midnight Madness and explain to you everything now, right?
Right.
Yes.
That's it.
Okay.
The main thing is we wanted to talk to you through this videotape so that we wouldn't have to listen to all your garbage in real life.
That night.
Yeah. We know.
Chaos.
We have a bunch of stuff to tell you about rules. Yeah.
Rules.
Well, there's not a lot of rules. Marie, you want to handle the rules?
The rules. The rule is don't mess with other people's stuff.
Yeah.
Right?
Basically, that's the main thing.
Rule.
That's the main rule. That's number one.
Other people's stuff will be
Oh,
taking
yeah.
those envelopes.
These are what
Right
you're.
here. Yeah.
Go explain envelope stuff.
Here's the envelopes here. Each team has
Show the
their
little picture.
color on here.
The little
And
color of your car.
and the
shape
car
of
is
your
too.
envelope.
That's the logo that she explained before, incidentally.
Okay.
So what you're going to get to a lot of places, and you're going to see 4 clues in envelopes like that, all taped in the same place. Now, you should realize that y'all are going basically almost, not exactly, but almost to basically the same places, right? But yeah, that's the main thing, is at different times. And like, if you get there and you see 2 clues that are gone and one's still there, those teams have been there. It doesn't mean they're ahead of you, it just means they went in a different time. You might
earlier in the game or something.
earlier or later in the game. Y'all?
Don't mess with anybody else's clues.
The places
Yeah.
that there's one
because that'll
clue,
screw everything
make
up.
sure you put it back.
Yeah, if there's some places that you'll just find a piece of paper right there, and that's your like one clue. Don't touch it. Just leave it, because other teams are gonna have to come and look at it at the same time.
Yeah.
And I know that y'all are into this, and we don't have to worry about any problems with that.
Reading through the clues.
What? Oh yeah. When you get your clues, the main thing about the game is you gotta really have stamina. The clues are tough, but they're not that tough. There aren't no clues there that you can't figure out. So it's just a matter.
Just take it piece by piece. Take it apart, like each line.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the main thing.
Give me my phone number to write down.
Oh yeah, we'll do that too. Yeah, when you get the clues and you have to work them out, you'll be able to tell which things mean something. That's what you have to do, is pick them out and figure out each thing. Okay, go.
Okay, the number is 5447546.
Right.
And
Want
if
to
you
repeat
need,
that, like on TV?
oh, yeah, that's
You have to call every hour.
5447546.
Yeah, every hour. Let's do this. Let's say the black team and the brown team has to call every hour on the hour, and the blue team and the red team has to call every hour on the half hour. So like we don't get 4 phone calls every hour, and you guys, the phone's busy, it'll hold you up. Okay? So that's black and brown on the hour, and blue and red on the half hour. Okay, write that down. You want to repeat the number once again?
That number is 5447546. Write it down, get a pencil and paper.
Okay, when you call, we'll tell you the order that the other 3 teams are in as far as first. So say if you were the green team and you called, we'd say the blue team is first, the black team is second, and the red team is third. You won't know where you are though. You could be last behind all 3 of them, or first ahead of them, or in between 2 of them. But they'll just give you an idea of who's where.
Right.
You're not going to know when you're going to get to the final objective until you get there.
Right. You're just going to keep going, and then all of a sudden you're just going to
go there and it's gonna be there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be there.
Also, as far as mileage and stuff is concerned, we've calculated your routes. How far? How close were they?
Within
4 inches.
2 inches
4
from each.
2 inches. 2 inches. 2. Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Measured on the map, the distance is 2 inches. And I don't
About
remember
5
this.
miles.
It's about 5 miles.
Of course, we
Yeah.
went over the water and
Yeah. we crossed the bay and
We
stuff.
figured that We figured that overall, no one team has to go any farther than what? About 6 or 7 miles farther than any other.
not even that much.
Yeah, probably not even that much. And you guys, how far are going to be traveling? About 150 to 200 miles,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's about that
I think
far.
so.
It's a long way.
Fill up your gas tank.
Yeah.
In case you wanted to.
So we want to tell you all this stuff. Is there anything else?
Oh, watch out for policemen
Yeah.
and stuff
Yes.
like that.
Let's be careful
please.
out
Be
there.
careful.
Security
And psychotic men with axes and stuff and
Believe
I didn't say
believe
that,
us,
guys.
we know what we're talking about.
We know
We've
what we're
been out there.
We've done this before. We're experienced people.
Okay. You've sat here, you've watched our introduction, and you've seen our logo, and you've heard us speak. We have one more thing to show you, and that's the boundaries. And to do that, we have specially designed computer-generated map of Pinellas County, which we'll be bringing on your screen in just about 1 second. And after we do that, our closing words to you are this. When this video is over, when the screen blurs and goes shh, like on Poltergeist, it's up to you guys to get up and run out the door and leave. We've taken your car keys away from you. When you get up and leave, you'll find the clue will be in the car, either on the driver's seat or on the dashboard or somewhere very obvious. Your keys will be in the ignition, and we'll have marked down your mileage. Okay, so we're going to see who travels the farthest. Also, the time to beat is 4 hours and 47 minutes. We're timing you exactly. We've run the route, we've measured the distances, and if you solve the clues with any degree of quickness, you should be able to complete the whole route in approximately 4 hours and 47 minutes. Now, if you beat that time, we'll see if we can come up with a special award for you. But that's the time to beat, so hurry all the time, right?
Right.
Um,
Don't stop and figure out clues. Do them on the way.
yeah, keep moving. If you get totally lost, you can call us and ask. Anything else? Okay, we'll bring you up the computer-generated map of Pinellas County to further explain boundaries and the neatness of the awesome stuff that we're doing. Thanks for listening. Have fun. We'll be talking to you again real briefly. Good luck. Okay, I want to show you guys our computer-generated map of Pinellas County. Here it is. It's amazing. Here we have Pinellas County and the upper boundary of the game, 584. Now, what this means is, do not go past 584 to the north in search of a clue. If you think you figure one out and you're going past that, you're wrong, because there's nothing past 584. That's the boundary to the north. To the south, we have Park Boulevard. Do not go south of Park Boulevard. If you think you know a clue and the place is St. Pete Beach, you're wrong. Don't go south of Park Boulevard. Together, these two boundaries, as well as the water on both sides of Pinellas County, form the game-playing boundary, as you can see enclosed in the red box. Now, we here at Game Control have carefully deliberated and filled up this area with a number of clue locations. Right, you guys?
Right.
Right. Okay. These locations are randomly located anywhere throughout the county, any place. So the whole idea is you don't know where they're going to be. They could be anywhere, but they are in this area, and they're pretty well spread out. This is a big help in helping you decide where to go. And we'll tell you one other thing. When you leave Tegwyn's house, as we're about to end this video now, go north. That's a big clue, a big help. So as you're driving to the north, you can be figuring out that first clue. Keep moving, don't be maniacs, don't get killed. We're all here at Game Control. We'd like to tell you good luck and good luck. Yeah. And as you see the screen go blurry in about 5 seconds, you can all get up from your seats, run to your cars, get in, start the engines up, and you're off on probably the single most awesome evening experience you've ever had in your life. We hope to see you within 4 hours and 47 minutes. That's the time to beat. And we're about ready to send you guys off, so you're about to see the screen go blurry. We wish you the best, or when the screen goes black, then leave. I guess that's about it. Anything further from you guys? No? Okay, well then, this is Game Control sending you off, and we just would like to say, may the best team win. We'll see you at the final objective. Goodbye. P.S. Run! Get going fast! Hurry, move!